Grace, your mom is showing us big kaba for our Ashwabi. Big kaba. Wow, it's nice. Because am I fat like this? Anyway. Hello guys, welcome back again to our channel. This is Lydia talking, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel before I continue, and like our page and comment. So guys, I'm so excited to unbox this package with you. My mommy sent me some stuff from Africa and I'm very happy. You know, it's not easy eating African food stuff in Europe, so I'm very excited to unbox these things with you, and my heart is filled with joy as my mommy was able to send me those things. And please guys, watch this video to the end. Thank you. Hello. Hey, this woman told me that I have just small packet to small packet. See her small packet. This is my mommy. She don't know how to pay kilo. Oh my god, this is my mommy. Oh my mommy, I love you so much. Crayfish also. Try will cook arrow again. My crayfish. Bitter leaf. Enough bitter leaf. Mommy, thank you. I've seen my package. My mommy, bitter leaf. Hi, all this bitter leaf. And my auntie also. Thank you so much. Oh, my dresses. Jesus, my grandma, grandpa. Oh, granny, oh. Your Ashwabi. I finally got my grandmommy Ashwabi. Hey! Is it for Grace?
Yeah.
Grace, your grandmommy sent your Ashwabi for your great grandmommy died. Oh my god. We are going to rock this. We are going to rock this. Hey. This one. Ah! Am I fat like this? Anyway, we are going to see. Okay, they have t-shirts. Oh my god, see Grace. Oh, Grace, it's for grandmommy. It's for grandmommy. Yeah, this is for you. And this is mine. This is mine. Oh, Granny, may your soul rest in peace. Grace, your mom is showing us big kaba for our Ashwabi. Big kaba. Wow, it's nice. Say thank you, Granny.
Thank you, Johnny.
I saw my gown. Okay. Oh my god, see Gary, oh, Gary too much. Oh, this one. Hi, the Gary don't bust. Shit. Wait. Let me put it on something. Yes.
Okay.
Gary.
How are you?
Oh, Gary. We are going to put arrow and Gary.
Okay.
Oh, this one. Okay, water leaf.
Okay, me.
Hey! Gary and arrow tomorrow. Oh, am I cooking? No, tomorrow. Yes, our Maggie. And egusi. Mommy, thank you. Egusi. This is Gary. This is water leaf. This is arrow. This is egusi. This is bitter leaf. Oh! And this is our dress. Mommy, thank you. See my mommy. My mommy said I'm selling you just 5 kilo. This is her 5 kilo that she sent to. 5 kilo. This is your mommy 5 kilo.
5 kilo.
I pay $150 to receive this thing, mommy. $150. Oh my god. Thank you, mommy. I love you.